Now let's talk about tabletop docking stations. These are great for the office, the boardroom, and even checking into your favorite hotel. It has an adjustable, sliding charger connector that accommodates all iPad models and sizes. We even accommodate Lightning or USB-C connectors. And because it's from iRoom, it's built with a nice, heavy aluminum base and a glass faceplate. We also have smart battery management to make sure your iPad is only charged when needed. And of course, the PoE injector is included. Next is the iTop Pro. This has all the features that the iTop had, but now it also has a built-in control processor and keypad. Additionally, it has a proximity sensor, so the iPad wakes up when someone is near. Additionally, we have a USB port for third-party devices, like a phone. Last, we have the iTop Plus, and what we add here is anti-theft protection of the iPad. And I'll do a video to show you how that works. Hi, I'm Aaron from iRoom.io, and today I'm going to introduce the iTop line. Now this is an iTop Plus, and it's got a locking feature. I can easily access the iPad by simply putting in a code. And the iPad's released. Now I can pull the iPad out, I can use it, and the cool thing about iTop Plus is you can have any size iPad that you want docking in the station. It has an adjustable Lightning connector, and we have an optional USB-C. So I can just drop the iPad back in, dock it, lock it, and it stores, charges, locks, and controls. So I can tie these buttons into a control system to turn lights on and off and or other features. Now I'm going to talk about the iTop OnWall. Thank you. Now let's talk about a universal OnWall docking station that is new from iRoom.io. In the previous video, we went over iTop with its locking mechanism and its touch button control. We simply moved that concept from the desk to the wall. Here you can see it in an office situation with easy access to the iPad. iTop OnWall is for all iPad models and sizes. Same thing as the iTop, it has a movable connector to fit any model. It also has high quality aluminum and glass construction. It's available in any 10 color combinations. It has motion sensing unlocking of the iPad screen, which is great for touchless control. And it has smart battery management certified by Apple that allows the iPad to only get power when it's needed. Of course, we have the anti-theft protection of the iPad with a code-protected iPad removal. And we have a built-in control processor and touch keypad like the iTop that allows you to do basic functions. If you need more functionality, we also tie in to Crestron, Control4, Savant, Lutron, and many more control systems. You have your choice of powering the iTop OnWall by PoE Plus or simple AC.
Okay, so Aaron just told us about iTop and iTop OnWall. Pretty cool products, huh? Here we've got an iTop Plus. iTop Plus has the integrated keypad and a security arm, plus the ability to charge and hold the iPad. You've got 5 different base colors, 2 different glass colors, making 10 different color combinations. That's for all of the iTop models. The security arm can be released either by the integrated keypad or through the app, which I'll show here. Once the iPad is undocked, you can see the connector which can be slid all the way down for iPad minis or all the way up for iPad Pros. The base can be secured to the tabletop, and then the iPad itself is free from theft. Up until recently, we've only offered one base color, which was silver, and two glass colors, which were black or white. And for 2020, we're introducing 4 new colors, which means that you can really choose color combinations that suit your style or the room's decor. And so on this slide, you can see 10 different color combinations and a few examples of those combinations, which apply to all of the iTop and iTop OnWall models. And so you can really get personal and really suit a space's style with 10 different color combinations for all iTops.